We're here. I'm Chuck from Showstoppers in Glendale, California. We're visiting VS1 Motorsports in Calgary, Alberta, Canada. Come take a look. Check out this FJ Cruiser on Advan RGD2 17.5. This is the indigo blue color featuring the Airby snorkel. Here's an old school runner running the Work S1HC in matte black. There's a Honda Fit running the Advans, some old school Advans. And here's a Toyota 4Runner 5th gen running the Weds Haas spec in Mercury Silver. Let's take a tour inside the shop. This is Eric. Meet Eric, your sales manager. He'll help you out getting the right parts for your vehicle. They do service as well as import parts and aftermarket parts, so they can pretty much get you anything. Stock a lot of HKS. Here's some Bilstein shocks. Here's our wall of accessories. They carry and stock a lot of Baja Designs lights. So if you're in the Calgary area, come on down, let's get lit. They got lug nuts, Rays, Mateki, Work, pretty much anything. They do stock wheels as well. Here's some on display. You carry a lot of apparel as well. There's some Rays bucket hats, beanies, HKS filters, just in case you need to get your HKS intake changed. A lot of different accessories here, some Rays hats, a bunch of different HKS parts, Takata stuff. Here's a little tour of their service bay. They got 3 lifts along with an alignment machine. And meet Steve, master technician. He heads the team in the back. Really talented dudes. They work on different cars, just not imports. So, and here's some of their stock. They do carry Mugen in stock, a bunch of tires, race, passenger, snow, off-road, which they got in stock, or they can get it fairly quickly. Work wheels, save on carbon fiber hoods, super popular here as well. And again, tires on tires, they're ready for you. Thanks for coming in with us again. VS1 in Calgary, Alberta, Canada. All you Canadians, you can order from here. They'll ship to you. Or if you're in the area, come by. They do service, installs. They got all the JDM goodies, wheels, tires. They can do it all here. Come on and visit.